At Progressive Sports Technologies, we're fortunate enough to be working on a number of different design and development projects at any time. Some of those are internal and some of those are external with our branded partners. One of the projects we've been developing for some time is a respiratory muscle training device. Now usually these devices are held in the hand as a mouthpiece and you will blow through and breathe back through the device itself. It's not very easy to run, cycle or swim holding something in your mouth like this. So we were looking with this project to find another way to train the respiratory muscles that allows you to be ambulatory when you're doing so. That means that you're free to move wherever you want to. And to do that, we realised that by placing a load around the thorax, you can get the same response and results as putting something in the mouth and breathing through a restrictive flow or a pressure valve.
What we know about the breathing muscles is they respond pretty well like any other muscle to resistance. So if you use high loads, you're able to get the strength advantage or a power gain. If you use lower loads for prolonged periods, then you're able to endure endurance advantages. The body responds so that it can sustain exercise at a higher intensity for slightly longer, and you're able to achieve personal best times or improve your running economy, for example. So the key to it is the elastic resistance. You can tune the level of intensity to suit your particular application. The athlete or the coach can tailor that to the period of the athlete's training regime, or even vary it within the training session. So it's a very versatile technology and really frees up the athlete and the performance coach to get the most out of each training session for tailored performance gain over a period of time.
Now, the product has been through a number of design iterations. Everything from a garment-based system where the bands that provide the elastic resistance are actually physically attached to the base layer. We've actually settled on a separate band that uses a series of silicone dots which are hypoallergenic. So it's safe to have the garment against the skin and comfortable too. The elastics are highly powerful but also have fantastic extension properties, so that when they're around the thorax they don't actually limit the range of movement of the thorax or restrict the breathing in any way. All they're doing is loading the breathing. The way to explain that is similar to thinking about lifting a dumbbell. Whilst the dumbbell itself loads the muscle, it doesn't restrict the range of movement. So although it's harder to lift the dumbbell up, you can still lift it through a full range, and therefore with this and the elastics you can still breathe fully and comfortably. To make adjustments, it's a simple yet effective Velcro system, and we have a number of different markers that allow you to adjust the device to different levels of resistance.
All in all, two key studies that showed from using this product in a training intervention was showing significant improvements in running economy, alongside those markers of improved respiratory muscle strength, alongside improved respiratory muscle endurance. And then going on from that, we've also shown that this can be used in an acute modality, and again found benefits from using that in a warm-up scenario. And alongside that, we found that it does not inhibit the intensity which an athlete would desire to perform at.